Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a WordPress site on Godaddy. First, you will need to select a domain name and a hosting plan that fits your needs, perhaps a shared hosting plan for a new site. Once you have your plan, Godaddy makes it incredibly simple to get started. During the setup process, you will be prompted to choose WordPress as your content management system, and Godaddy will handle the entire installation for you, typically in just a few minutes. After Godaddy installs WordPress, you will receive login details to access your site's administrative dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, noticing sections for posts, pages, and media. One of the first things you will want to do is choose a theme. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes to give your site a professional look and feel, often with just a few clicks. With your theme in place, it is time to populate your site with content. You can easily add new pages for information like About Us or Contact, and create engaging blog posts to share your insights. WordPress also boasts a vast library of plugins, which are small software additions that can add features like contact forms or search engine optimization. Use the customizer to fine-tune colors, fonts, and widgets, making your site truly unique and reflective of your brand. Before you hit that publish button, take a critical look at your entire site. Check all your pages and posts for any typos or broken links. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly, as over 50% of web traffic comes from mobile devices. Once you are confident everything is perfect, it is time to launch. Your Godaddy-hosted WordPress site will then be live and accessible to anyone with an internet connection, ready to share your message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.